Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be reviewing the 2023 Ford Ranger Raptor. The 2023 Ford Ranger Raptor comes with the 3-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6. The Ranger Raptor is expected to share its engine with the Ford Bronco Raptor. The Ranger comes with a 3-liter V6 which produces 292 kilowatts. The Ranger Raptor will be fitted with the Fox Live 2.5-inch shocks. The shocks are capable of adjusting the dampness of the springs 10 times a second. That is quite fast. The Ranger Raptor is expected to arrive in South Africa mid-2023. This will be a big upgrade in comparison to the outgoing Ranger. The outgoing Ranger featured a 2-liter twin-turbo diesel. The twin-turbo diesel was a 4-cylinder engine, which was quite okay, had around 157 kilowatts and 500 Newton meters in comparison to the 2023 Ranger, which has 292 kilowatts and 491 Newton meters of torque. This will be quite a fast engine. I can imagine it will be high revving and will also produce that sweet torque at high RPM speeds as expected from a petrol engine. The 2023 Raptor is expected to come with a 12-inch infotainment system, which will have the latest Sync 4 system from Ford, with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Screen monitoring will be available wirelessly, and also we have a Bang & Olufsen sound system. The Raptor should be quite comfortable, with bucket seats front and padded seats in the rear, with leather seats, leather trim, and Alcantara leather featuring throughout the entire car. The car will be quite sporty with Ford performance parts and upgrades from shocks, body kit, and everything else. The car will also feature xenon headlights with LED daytime running strip lights. The Ranger Raptor is specifically designed for Baja racing. Baja, it's like desert high-speed off-road racing, so it means that the seats are properly padded to absorb the shocks and the noise that come from that racing. You should be able to be reliable for high-speed chasing in the desert, and also with sufficient cooling to make sure that the car can maintain that high performance with high efficiency. The Ranger Raptor will come with standard 18-inch alloy wheels fitted with 33 and an option for 35-inch tires. What's your take on the Ranger Raptor? Come on, engage with me, share, like, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to comment in the chat section. Goodbye.